Are you worried about the upcoming 2024 recession? In today's video, I'm offering tips for survival and success. Learn how to grow your wealth during tough period. We'll discuss 7 essential tips to help you prosper despite economic downturns. Stay tuned till the end because the last tip is a game changer that most people overlook. Before we dive in, we'd like to extend a warm welcome to you, especially if it's your first time tuning into our channel. To stay in touch with all our updates, we encourage you to join our rapidly growing community. It's a simple yet effective way to stay updated. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and start your journey with us. Tip number 1. Diversify your investment portfolio. This means spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk and potentially increase returns. It's not prudent to concentrate your wealth on only one type of investment. You should consistently aim to maintain a healthy balance. Consider investments in stocks, which represent shares in a company. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to a government or corporation. Real estate presents another viable avenue, offering the opportunity to earn from rentals or property appreciation. And then there's cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that's gaining ground. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and even some cryptocurrency. Tip number 2. Build an emergency fund. This concept, often overlooked, is one of the fundamental pillars of personal finance. The goal is simple. Accumulate an amount equivalent to your expenses for at least 6 months. It's a buffer, a safety net, there to catch you when life throws unexpected financial curveballs your way. Having this fund means you're prepared for sudden job losses, medical emergencies, or unplanned home repairs. Consequently, it provides peace of mind and prevents you from liquidating your investments at a loss during tough times. Tip 3 is about enhancing your skills. Amidst the widespread economic downturn, many people find themselves with a little extra time on their hands. Instead of letting this time go to waste, why not utilize it to your advantage? Take this as an invitation to expand your knowledge, broaden your horizons, and build your arsenal of abilities. Indulge in online courses, webinars, or books that can offer insights into new fields or provide advanced knowledge in your existing field. The recession can be an opportunity to learn new skills or upgrade existing ones, making you more valuable in the job market. Moving on to tip 4, smart budgeting. It's critical that we understand the dynamics of our personal finances. The first step in this process is to carefully analyze your expenses. Check your monthly outflows, identify where your money is going, and then start trimming the fat. Make cuts on non-essential items and superfluous expenses. This could be anything from fancy coffee to expensive subscriptions. The key is to focus on effective and efficient spending that can serve your financial goals. It's true what they say, every dollar saved is indeed a dollar earned. Tip 5. Create passive income streams. Passive income is an essential component of financial success. It doesn't necessarily require your active participation, but it does require smart strategies and an initial effort. Consider rental income, a steady revenue stream that comes from leasing out property. Perhaps invest in the stock market for dividends that roll in without you lifting a finger. Or, why not build a side hustle? From selling homemade crafts to freelance writing, choose something that aligns with your interests. Remember, there's an array of opportunities out there. Having an additional income source can be a financial lifesaver. Tip 6. Stay informed. It's incredibly crucial to keep yourself immersed in financial news and market trends on a regular basis. Developing the habit of following credible news sources, platforms, and finance websites significantly impacts your financial decision-making process. In this fast-paced world, markets can change overnight. What's trending today might not be the same tomorrow. If you are aware of these fluctuations, you can adapt and make strategic decisions. Stay updated about the rise and fall of stocks and learn about new investment opportunities. Being informed helps you make smarter decisions with your money. And finally, tip 7, don't panic, plan. Recessions, while intimidating, should not induce fear, as they are a routine part of economic cycles. Rather than succumbing to anxiety, focus on formulating a robust strategy. A well-thought-out game plan is your best defense against the turbulence of a recession. It allows you to stay composed, make informed decisions, and avoid any hasty actions. This is essential because panic only leads to poor decisions. Remember, panic leads to poor decisions. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. In a world where information is abundant, finding the right advice can be challenging. This is our mission: to make your life easier with practical tips and advice. Your contribution by liking and sharing this video goes a long way in supporting our efforts. Your support means the world to us.